Warner Brothers is proud to present the 25th anniversary of a modern classic, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Hidden among the countless billions of Wonka bars are 5 gold tickets.
Willy Wonka's opening his factory. He's gonna let people in. I've got the same chance as anybody else, haven't I?
You got more, Charlie, because you wanted more.
25 years ago, Charlie won a ticket to the most magical place on earth.
All aboard, everybody.
This way, Grandpa.
What is this, Wonka? Some kind of fun house?
Why, having fun?
Remember how it delighted you?
It makes everlasting gobstoppers.
How do you make them?
I'm a trifle deaf in this ear. Speak a little louder next time.
How it surprised you?
I haven't got it quite right yet.
How it amazed you?
Where's the chocolate?
There it is.
It's unbelievable.
It's Wonka vision.
Return to the world of Willy Wonka, where life can be sweet
Hey, this is really great.
and every child gets his just desserts.
Don't touch a thing.
Stuck in the pipe there, isn't he, Wonka?
The suspense is terrible.
He's gonna go this time.
I hope it'll last.
He's absolutely bonkers.
And that's not bad.
There is no life I know to
Feel the wonder all over again.
I decided a long time ago that I had to find a child to whom I can tell all my candy-making secrets.
Celebrate the 25th anniversary return of
Here it comes!
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Your golden ticket to imagination and adventure.
Golden ticket to the 30th anniversary of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Here it comes!
The movie you loved as a kid will still amaze you.
All of my dreams become realities.
The 30th anniversary celebration of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, ABC Sunday, 7/6 Central.
You know, it's hard finding the right program.
Look over there.
They're Oompa Loompas.
Blu-ray, DVD too. This is the ultimate edition for you. On the Blu-ray and DVD, you won't believe what you're going to see.
The suspense is terrible. I hope it'll last.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the 40th anniversary Blu-ray DVD combo Ultimate Collector's Edition. Get ready
I've got a golden ticket.
for a celebration of the imagination.
Very pleased. We have so much time and so little to see. Wait a minute. Strike that. Reverse it.
40 years in the making.
What's that for?
Gives it a little kick.
Boy, that's great stuff.
come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
Now loaded with more amazing bonus features than ever before, including Wonka Vision.
Lights, camera, action!
Look at me. I'm a TV star.
The making of Willy Wonka with director Mel Stewart, an exclusive production book reprint, and visit a world of pure imagination with behind-the-scenes footage of how Roald Dahl brought the story to life.
I think it's the most wonderful place in the whole world.
Bring home the adventure that's so sweet you can almost taste it.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet!
They all become blueberries.
It's great, fabulous, fun through and through. The ultimate edition is waiting for you. On the Blu-ray and DVD, the perfect treat for your family.
Having fun?
Own Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the 40th anniversary Blu-ray DVD combo Ultimate Collector's Edition.
You're going to love this.
Did you hear the news? There's one golden ticket still floating around somewhere.
A long time ago,
I think I'll buy just one more.
the dreams and wishes of one young boy were turned to gold.
Inside this room, all of my dreams become realities. And some of my realities become dreams.
And an adventure of delicious proportions was born.
A chocolate river.
Lickable wallpaper. Everlasting gobstoppers. Fizzy lifting drinks. Exploding candy.
Boy, that's great stuff.
Everything you'll see is eatable, edible, I mean, you can eat almost everything.
Now you can go to the place where strange and wonderful treats are around every corner.
Little surprises around every corner, but nothing dangerous.
He's absolutely bonkers.
Where the most peculiar people live. And the children who don't listen
I wouldn't do that.
get their just desserts.
I feel funny.
Violet, you're turning violet, dude.
Always goes wrong when we come to the dessert.
Come with me
Warner Brothers presents Willy Wonka and the Chocolate
in
Factory.
a world of pure imagination.
It's a world of pure imagination as you've never seen it before.
Look, I'm a bird!
With the special documentary Pure Imagination, the making of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
I want one.
I'll get you one before the day's out.
And DVD extras, including audio commentary.
Lights, camera, action!
Who can take a rainbow, dip it in the sun and make a strawberry lemon pie?
The Candyman.
The Candyman.
Hold on, everybody. Here it comes.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
I think it's the most wonderful place in the whole world.
Did you hear the news? There's one golden ticket still floating around somewhere.
For the first time on Blu-ray, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
I think I'll buy just one more.
Where the dreams and wishes of one young boy were turned to gold.
Inside this room, all of my dreams become realities. And some of my realities become dreams.
An adventure of delicious proportions was born.
A chocolate river.
Lickable wallpaper. Everlasting gobstoppers. Busy lifting drinks. Exploding candy.
Boy, that's great stuff.
Everything you'll see is eatable. Edible. I mean, you can eat almost everything.
Now you can go to the place where strange and wonderful treats are around every corner.
Little surprises around every corner, but nothing dangerous.
He's absolutely bonkers.
Where the most peculiar people live. And the children who don't listen
I wouldn't do that.
get their just desserts.
I feel funny.
Violet, you're turning violet, dude.
Always goes wrong when we come to the dessert.
Come with
On Blu-ray, discover a world of pure imagination
world of pure imagination.
as you've never seen it before.
Look, I'm a bird!
Including 4 fun sing-along songs.
I want one.
I'll get you one before the day's out.
Lights, camera, action!
Who can take a rainbow, dip it in the sun and make a strawberry lemon
The
pie?
Candyman.
The Candyman.
Hold on, everybody. Here it comes.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
I think it's the most wonderful place in the whole world.
Unwrap yours for the very first time on Blu-ray October 20th.